Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add role-based authentication using organizations in Clerk. So let's get started. Actually, I want to mention one more thing. You need to log out of any user accounts. Okay, the reason is that I found that when you do not log out of your user account, right, the problem ends up being that it just doesn't apply the role-based authentication correctly. So make sure the user that you're going to make the admin is logged out of their account. Okay, so let's get started. So first go into your Clerk dashboard, go into organizations. Okay, first we're going to create a organization. So click on create organization. Okay, then name this something. I'm going to name this business. Okay, and then you can make someone the owner, and when you make them the owner, they will automatically become the admin, or you can individually go in and make someone the admin as well. I will also show you that. So now your organization is created. You can go in and check it out. You can go into members and see the members of your organization. You can then add a user. I'm going to add another user in, but I'm going to make this a member, and these are the two predefined roles that come with Clerk. You can create your own roles as well. So I'm going to add a user. Next, I'm going to go back into my Next.js Clerk app, and if I show you, I'm logged out. So I'm going to go to the login. I'm going to log in. I'm going to click continue. Okay, so now that I have logged in, you can see that I am in the dashboard, but because this is going to be role-based authentication, I need to get the role for my user first, and then I'm going to show you how you can display different dashboards based on the fact your user is an admin or a normal user. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how you can check whether your user is a admin or not. So first I'm going to get the use auth hook. Next, I'm going to add two things into this. One is the is loaded. The other one is organization role. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and I am doing this in the layout file. You also have to do this in the layout file. Okay, and the layout file is in the dashboard for Next.js because I specifically want to target the layout file for the dashboard. So I've gotten the organization role. I'm going to do if is not loaded. Okay, then turn nothing. And here I'm going to just console log the organization role. I'm going to save this. And now I'm going to open up the console in my browser. Okay, you can see that I'm getting organization admin. Okay, so now if I refresh the page, you will see I'm getting the organization admin. Okay, this is what you need. And now that you have this, that you can check whether your user is an admin or not, I'm going to show you how you can give your user either the admin dashboard or the user dashboard based on their role in the organization. Here in your dashboard, what you're going to do is create two folders. And you need to add the @ symbol, and I'll tell you later why you need to do this, but for now just add it. I'm gonna call this one user dashboard, and the other one is gonna be admin dashboard. I'm just gonna copy this and put this in here, and I'm gonna just copy this and put another one inside of this, but I'm going to call this one admin dashboard. Okay. Now I will go into both of these pages, and for this one I will say admin dashboard, and for the other one I will say user dashboard. Okay, so back to my layout, which is this one. Okay, so here where I'm getting the user role, since I added the @ symbol, I can now get these separately. Okay, by using the layout I can get them here. Okay, just like you use a children, you will just add it into this here. Okay, so I'm going to comment this one out, and I'm going to add this here. And here I'm going to add user dashboard and admin dashboard. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is get the organization role at this. I'm going to say if this is equal to the organization admin, then give me the admin dashboard. Otherwise, give me the user dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to save all three of these now. And let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to check what ended up happening and come right back. So I figured out the problem. The problem was that in the dashboard folder, okay, I had this page.js file, okay, and I just needed to delete that so that the page.js file inside of these two would work. Okay, so that's how this works. And as you can see, this is showing me the admin dashboard, and if I log out, as you know, I have a second user, okay, and he is a member, not an admin. So if I show you, you can see I'm getting redirected to the user dashboard, not the admin dashboard. So that's how you can get redirected to either your user dashboard or your admin dashboard based on your organizational role. So I hope you like this tutorial. Give this video a like, it helps out the channel, and also subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorial. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.